I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're removing a Google account now. First, confirm you can access the device and any necessary backups. Sign into the account you plan to remove and verify password and two-step verification codes. This prevents lockout. Once signed in, make sure recovery email and phone are up to date, and note whether it's a primary account on an Android device. If it is, prepare an alternate admin account or factory reset plan before proceeding so you won't lose access. Open Google account settings on the web or go to device settings accounts. Choose the account to remove. Click Remove Account or Sign Out. You'll be asked to confirm with your password or two-step code to protect the account. On Android, if it's not the primary account, the removal completes immediately. If it is primary, Android may require a factory reset or a different admin account. Make sure to wait for sync to finish before removing to avoid data loss. After removal, verify success by signing out and checking the device account list and web account menu. Clear browser cache or reboot if stale info remains. If the account won't remove, try Google Account Recovery for credential issues, remove the device from your Google Account Devices list, or revoke account access in security settings. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the device, but first back up everything and ensure you have power and connectivity to restore data afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.